Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is a ZEEMO toiletry bag for men. This is an extra large water resistant Dopp kit with double side full open design. So I will show you all this demo and show you everything. So you can see this is a waterproof material with this uh, double side zipper, and it's a good shape size for all your shaving and toiletry needs. This have the handle, the zippers. So I'm just opening the zipper and you can see it here that have a transparent pouch like small pouches. So this is the visible compartment, and these are the easily locate things that you can put it for easy grabs. This is a large capacity design, as you can see from here. So you can just put all your needs in one and you can take this bag everywhere. So this is the double sided one, means like they both open in the same compartment. And then you have this pouch like for the easy grasp transparent thing. You can see what's there inside. So if I open all the chains, you can see it here, like you can transparent pouch, you can see what is there. Here's a transparent pouch as well in the other side. So it's a very nice heavy duty and quality shaving kit or the toiletry bag for men, that you can use all these handles on the side like this one. So you see like this handle that you can use the chains and stuff, grip, stitching and everything is really fine and of good quality, that I don't see any issues with this pouch yet, and the quality and the feel is also good.